Safety. It's what Simpson was built on, and we know that communication can be just as important as any safety gear. That's why we're proud to offer the PackTalk Edge wireless communication system from Cardo and Simpson. It's a perfect addition to any rider's helmet, whether on or off-road. Helmets protect your melon, but they can also obstruct your ability to communicate with other riders and crew. But with the PackTalk Edge, you'll be able to talk to fellow riders, listen to music, take phone calls, even listen to turn-by-turn navigation, all completely hands-free. The PackTalk's multilingual, voice-operated engine means you'll never have to touch a button again, letting you keep your hands on the handlebars, where they belong. Just say, "Hey Cardo," and tell it what you want. Your PackTalk Edge will do the rest. It's easy to install thanks to the Air Mount magnetic mounting system, and will fit most any brand of motorcycle helmet. The powerful 40mm JBL speakers will keep your beats bumping, and the voice-controlled volume means you won't miss a thing. Once installed, your PackTalk Edge will allow you to connect with up to 15 separate riders, thanks to the Bluetooth 5.2 protocol. Thanks to Cardo's proprietary dynamic mesh technology, the PackTalk Edge can connect with any Bluetooth-based intercom system, no matter what brand it is. With nearly 13 hours of talk time and 10 days of standby charge, we're positive that you'll be drained before the battery is. Recharges take 2 hours or less, so you'll be back in business in no time at all. If you're a diehard and like to ride, rain or shine, the PackTalk Edge is perfect for you. It's waterproof and it'll keep you connected no matter what you throw at it. Stay connected with your group and change the way you ride with the most advanced power sports communicator out there. To learn how you can take your ride to the next level with the PackTalk Edge from Simpson, visit us at simpsonraceproducts.com.